Welcome to GIBSIN Engineers. In the next 10 minutes, we would like to brief you on who we are, our experience, capability, and why we are capable of serving international clients. GIBSIN is the most experienced power engineering consultant in Taiwan. Established in 1979, GIBSIN is a joint venture of Sinotech of Taiwan and URS of the USA. The company has more than 300 technical staff. During the past 30 years, through successful technology transfer from the original parent company, Gibbs & Hills in New York City, GIBSIN has completed numerous fossil power plants. We specialize in the engineering of fossil power plants and material handling projects. Our experience covers coal-fired, gas-fired combined cycle, and cogeneration plants. GIBSIN's major client is Taiwan Power Company. Nevertheless, we also provided services for independent power producers. GIBSIN has designed more than 22,000 megawatts of power plants and accounted for 75% of the total installed fossil power generation capacity in Taiwan. GIBSIN is an ISO 9000 certified consultant engineer. We can play many roles to meet our clients' requirements. First of all, we can serve as architect engineer, or AE, for owners. The following are major projects we completed as owners AE. Let us introduce our experience of coal-fired power plants first. The Taichung coal-fired power plant is located in central Taiwan, consisting of 10 units with a total capacity of 5,500 megawatts. This plant was constructed in 3 stages. Units 1 to 4 were constructed at stage 1, units 5 to 8 at stage 2, and units 9 and 10 at stage 3. GIBSIN participated in this project from the very beginning, while Tai Power just started land reclamation. The Taichung project is executed by component basis. GIBSIN has to prepare all specifications and drawings for Tai Power to procure equipment and tender for contractors. The Taichung plant is the largest coal-fired power plant in the world. The Mailiao supercritical power plant is located in central Taiwan. It has 7 units with a total capacity of 4,200 megawatts. The plant is one of the largest supercritical power plants in the world. Among 7 units, major equipment of each unit was procured from different manufacturers. GIBSIN has to integrate equipment from different vendors to make this a successful project. Next, let us introduce our experience of natural gas-fired combined cycle plant. Datan plant consists of 6 units with a total capacity of 4,380 megawatts. Unit number 6 was completed in November 2008. Datan is the largest combined cycle power plant in the world. Datan project is executed by turnkey basis. GIBSIN, as Tai Power's AE, prepared a conceptual design and turnkey specification. GIBSIN assisted Tai Power for bid evaluation, contractor selection, and monitoring progress of the project. The Jiahui combined cycle plant is one of the IPP plants. The plant has 3-on-1 configuration with a capacity of 670 megawatts. The plant was completed 2 months ahead of schedule. GIBSIN played the role as owner's AE. In addition to engineering services, GIBSIN also provided construction management services to the client. Now, let us introduce GIBSIN's cogeneration plant experience. GIBSIN acted as AE of a paper company, Longchen. The Longchen cogeneration plant uses both coal and waste paper as fuel. It is the first plant in Taiwan burning waste paper to generate steam and power. The Dayuan cogeneration plant produced stable electricity and steam to the factories in an industrial park. GIBSIN's experience with material handling and storage facilities will be introduced next. Shinda coal conveyors are totally enclosed to mitigate environmental impact, such as dust and noise from running conveyors. This is the Mailiao Coal Storage Dome project. There are 5 domes in total, and each dome is 120 meters in diameter and 68 meters in height. During the engineering stage, computer simulation and calculation were carried out to evaluate settlement under different storage conditions, as well as the interaction among adjacent domes. This is the pioneer project of coal domes in Taiwan. Indoor coal domes with shining hemispheric roofs were constructed at the Shinda power plant. The project includes 4 domes, each 120 meters in diameter and 68 meters in height. The land used for construction of these domes used to be the bottom ash pond of Shinda power plant. Gibson can also act as designer for major equipment vendors. For instance, we have been working with Alstom since 1997. The list shows that Gibson has been working with Alstom for no less than 8 international power projects. This is the Smith Unit 1 project. This plant is located in Kentucky, USA. Gibson provided detailed structural design to Alstom for the boiler structure. This is the Huayang CP1 project, which is located in Fujian, China. Gibson provided extensive engineering services of Unit 7 Boiler Island to Formosa Heavy Industries Corporation. The Panay cogeneration plant is located in the Philippines. The dual-fuel boiler is designed to burn both coal and recycled waste. Gibson can also act as engineer for EPC contractors. Starbuck Combined Cycle Power Plant is located in central Taiwan with a 2-on-1 configuration and a capacity of 490 megawatts. This plant was completed for commercial operation in June 2009. This is the only project done by the Taiwan EPC team, and Gibson provided full engineering and design services to the EPC contractor. Gibson's scope of services includes basic and detailed design, specification preparation, and bid evaluation. Gibson also prepared systems description documents, bill of materials, reviewed vendors' drawings, and integrated all engineering and design work. This list shows 3 major projects that Gibson has provided engineering services to Gibson's parent company, URS Washington Division. These power plants are located in the U.S. and Canada. Springerville Unit 4 has a capacity of 400 megawatts. It is located in Arizona, USA. The project will be completed in December 2009. This is an FGD project of Monroe Power Plant Units 3 and 4, located in Michigan, USA. Gibson completed the engineering services in 2008. Gibson's engineering capabilities will be introduced next. Gibson is the most experienced power consultant in Taiwan. Gibson has been accumulating extensive experience for the engineering and design of power plants. Gibson's capabilities cover basic engineering, detailed design, procurement expediting, inspection, witness of equipment, and integrating all engineering and design work. Gibson's extensive experience helps our clients reduce project capital cost and shorten project construction schedules. We always keep effective and constructive communication with our clients. We use 3D CAD intensively. The following sample shows a 3D model in this turbine building of a coal-fired power plant. This drawing shows electrical cable trays surrounding a turbine generator. The equipment and piping were added. The turbine building structure is modeled. Cable trays, piping, structure, and equipment are all in one 3D model. This close-up shows cable trays, piping, structure, and equipment in a turbine building. The following is a dynamic 3D model of the Starbuck combined cycle power plant. GIBSIN dispatched engineers as customers' representatives to perform witness of factory acceptance tests for major equipment produced by manufacturers around the world. This picture shows GIBSIN's witness for gas turbine rotor runout test and clearance inspection. Witness of boiler feed water pump performance test. We're familiar with international practice in the power industry. For over 30 years, GIBSIN has continually undertaken the engineering and design services to customers for numerous power projects. We have extensive experience working with international manufacturers around the world. The following list shows our working experience with major international equipment manufacturers. This list shows the vendors of boilers, turbine generators, gas turbines, FGDs, ESPs, and SCRs that we have worked with. This list shows vendors of ship unloaders, coal conveyors, stackers, reclaimers, transformers, and IPBDs that we have worked with. This list shows vendors of high voltage cable, UPS, DCS, and other control systems that we have worked with. We are familiar with international codes and standards. At GIBSIN, we maintain and update the latest international codes and standards. GIBSIN staff has strong bilingual capability. GIBSIN is at your service. Please contact us if you need any power engineering service. Thank you.